Hello, my friends. Taiwanese beef farming is becoming increasingly profitable, with farmers capitalizing on both raising and processing cattle. What are the key factors driving this profitability? Find out how food factories are playing a pivotal role in transforming the beef sector, and stay updated with the insights provided by TrendingFarm. As you know, Taiwan is famous for its dairy products, and the livestock industry here has also made great strides, meeting the needs of domestic and foreign markets. Not as widely mentioned as dairy farms, beef cattle farms in Taiwan are also quite popular in rural and mountainous areas, providing high-quality beef to local food factories. Here, cows are allowed to graze freely on large fields. These farms prioritize the health and natural behavior of the cattle. Therefore, they invest more in grazing areas than in building barns, allowing the cattle to grow as naturally as possible. This farming method not only supports the welfare of the cattle, but also contributes to the production of high-quality, natural products, meeting the growing consumer demand for ethically sourced food. Cattle are ear-tagged to locate and track them throughout their time in the fields. These devices also help farmers collect and store health indicators of their animals, thereby creating appropriate care plans. Similar to cattle farms around the world, cattle in Taiwan are also provided with a complete diet from natural food sources and minerals needed during the development process. %80 of the food they absorb comes from grazing during the day. The remaining 20% of the necessary food will be provided by farmers when raised in barns. Farmers will mix crushed hay, synthetic feed, and necessary vitamins to fully meet the nutritional needs of cows. Having a reasonable diet and following natural needs helps the herd grow quickly, increase resistance, and bring a characteristic flavor to the beef when processed at food factories. Please like and share the video before learning more about the disease prevention process for cattle at the farm in Taiwan. Free-range cattle grazing represents high animal welfare on Taiwanese farms. However, to produce the best cattle production, Taiwanese farmers must be more careful in caring for their cattle, regularly monitoring and vaccinating them against common cattle diseases. Do you know about common cattle diseases? Leave your answers in the comments section of this video. On breeding farms, veterinarians will regularly carry out meticulous vaccination procedures following the routes recommended by the Ministry of Health, ensuring the health and productivity of the herd. In the first few weeks of life, calves are vaccinated with the basic BRD vaccine and Clostridium difficile vaccine. As they get older, they are given booster shots, especially before breeding or during pregnancy, to protect them from leptospirosis and maintain herd immunity. As you can see, there are a lot of assistive devices being made to help farmers and medical professionals care for their livestock. After you subscribe to the channel, we will name some devices in the comments if you are interested. Loading cows onto a truck for transport involves a careful process to ensure their safety, particularly considering their weight, which can range from 1,200 to 1,500 pounds. Cows are calmly guided through a chute to the truck, where a non-slip ramp is used for easy access. The truck is designed with proper ventilation and ample space to accommodate the cow's size, allowing them to stand comfortably. Handlers securely load the cows, often separating them into compartments to avoid overcrowding. During transport, drivers maintain a steady speed and make regular stops to check on the animals, ensuring they reach their destination safely and in good condition. In a food factory, the beef processing begins with a thorough inspection of carcasses to ensure they meet the stringent quality standards required. The food factory then uses precision cutting techniques to break down the beef into primal cuts such as ribeye, sirloin, and tenderloin. These cuts are further processed in the food factory into consumer-ready products like steaks, ground beef, and packaged meals. Throughout the process, the food factory maintains strict hygiene protocols and temperature controls to preserve the freshness of the meat. Advanced machinery in the food factory handles grinding, packaging, and labeling, ensuring that the final beef products are safe, consistent, and ready for distribution. Taiwan is becoming a key market for premium beef, with beef consumption steadily increasing. In 2019, beef made up 7% of the average diet, with consumption at 15 pounds per person annually. By 2020, Taiwan was Australia's sixth largest beef market, importing 39,600 pounds of beef by September. The rise in beef consumption, growing at 5.8% annually since 2015, is driven by Taiwan's affluent young population, particularly those aged 20 to 39, who favor cuisines featuring beef like Western, Korean, and Japanese. With local production limited, Taiwan relies on imports, which account for 96% of beef consumption, and demand is expected to grow steadily. In response, food factories play a crucial role in processing and distributing this imported beef to meet the increasing consumer demand. Before moving on to other food factory tour videos on Trending Farm channel, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support our efforts and information filtering. See you in the next videos on the channel.
Germany produces over 5 million tons of pork annually, making it a leader in the European market. Most of this comes from large industrial farms, which house thousands of pigs and use advanced systems to control feeding, water, temperature, and ventilation. These technologies ensure consistent quality and lower production costs. About 30% of farms in Germany are small to medium-sized. These farms focus on traditional methods, providing pigs with better living conditions and using natural practices. They produce high-quality, sustainable pork that meets growing consumer demand for specialty products. The industry is shaped by farm size, pig breeds, and market needs. The German government enforces strict rules for food safety, animal welfare, and environmental protection, supporting both large and small-scale farms. Together, these approaches balance efficiency, sustainability, and quality in Germany's pig farming industry. Some farms even use facial recognition to identify pigs and provide personalized care, effectively managing herds of over 2,000 pigs. More than 40% of German pig farms now integrate monitoring systems with smartphones and computers. These systems allow real-time tracking of animal health, environmental conditions, and resource use, enabling faster decisions and cutting labor costs by 20 to 30%. Such innovations support large-scale farming while maintaining high animal welfare standards. In Germany, pigs are typically raised for 5 to 6 months. Growing from 3.3 pounds at birth to a market weight of 240 to 265 pounds before being transported to processing facilities. Transporting pigs requires strict adherence to animal welfare laws, such as the EU Animal Transport Regulation EC, No. 1 2005 and German standards, which mandate proper ventilation, space allocation, and maximum travel times. German pig farms use advanced sensors to maintain optimal housing conditions, keeping temperatures at 18 to 22 deg and reducing ammonia levels below 10 ppm to prevent respiratory issues. Automated ventilation and climate systems ensure animal welfare while meeting strict regulations. Weight sensors and cameras monitor pigs individually, tracking growth and detecting health issues. Automated feeders deliver precise rations, reducing feed waste by up to 15% and ensuring consistent growth. To ensure humane transport, farmers and transporters can attend training programs offered by agricultural organizations, covering safe handling, trailer design, and stress reduction. Hands-on experience with experienced transporters and educational resources, like online guides and videos, also provide valuable insights. These practices prioritize animal welfare and ensure compliance with regulations during the transport process. Once the pigs arrive at the safe food plant, they are transferred to a state-of-the-art stunning system that ensures humane handling and meets strict animal welfare standards. According to official EU guidelines, electric stunning is commonly used, where pigs are given controlled electric shocks to render them unconscious before slaughter. The stunning equipment must meet specific technical standards, such as delivering a voltage of 1.5 to 2.0 amps at a frequency of 5060 Hz to ensure rapid and effective stunning. Occasionally, you will find food plants using an additional gas stunning method with a carbon dioxide mixture to reduce stress, ensuring the process is both effective and compliant with EU animal welfare regulations. The Ultrasource JWE combination hog scalder deherrer is an advanced machine used in food factories for efficiently scalding and deherring hogs weighing between 100 to 500 lbs. With its twin roller design and computer control panel, the machine offers both manual and fully automatic operation modes. It requires a 230-volt, three-phase power supply and 90 psi to operate the pneumatic cylinders that open and close the lid, as well as the discharge arm for easy filling. Once the hog is properly stunned and bled, it is placed into the machine where it rests on 2 deherring rollers. The machine automatically begins the scalding and deherring process with a programmed time for each stage. The water temperature and time are closely monitored via the control panel. After use, the machine can be drained and cleaned, with maintenance tasks like greasing the drive chain and checking oil levels to ensure its continued efficiency. In food factories, large pork cutting machines, like automatic band saws, handle carcasses weighing up to 661 lbs. These machines cut through bone, cartilage, and muscle with blades operating at 66 to 98 feet per second. Powered by 380 V three-phase electricity, they feature durable stainless steel blades for easy cleaning. Typically ranging from 4.9 to 8.2 feet in length, these machines are adjustable to accommodate various carcass sizes. Many are automated with programmable control panels, improving processing efficiency, reducing human error, and ensuring consistent product quality in large-scale food production. After being cut by large pork cutting machines, the pork parts are moved to conveyor belts for further processing on smaller cutting lines. These conveyor belts, usually made of stainless steel, operate at speeds between 32 and 66 feet per minute to efficiently transport the meat. The pork parts are then directed to smaller cutting lines where workers or automated systems handle tasks like deboning, trimming, and portioning. These lines can process sections weighing anywhere from 11 lbs to 110 lbs, depending on the cuts needed. In some cases, robotic arms equipped with high-precision knives are used for skinning and portioning, improving accuracy and reducing labor costs. Automated scanning systems ensure each piece is positioned correctly, reducing mistakes. think automation can fully replace human labor in these lines, or is there still a need for traditional skills in meat cutting? How do you feel about the efficiency of these systems in large-scale food factories? After the pork parts are passed through conveyor belts, they are transferred to automatic packaging machines. These machines are designed to package pork products at speeds of up to 30 packs per minute, depending on the type of product and packaging. The pork is placed in trays or vacuum-sealed bags, and the packaging machine automatically labels, seals, and weighs each product. In comparison, manual packaging is much slower, with workers typically processing 5 to 10 packs per minute. Automation reduces labor costs, increases efficiency, and ensures consistent packaging quality, improving overall production speed in large-scale food factories. At the end of the pork processing line, several quality control systems are employed to ensure food safety. Metal detectors are used to identify metallic contaminants in the packaged meat. These machines are sensitive to metals as small as 0.2 mm, including ferrous, non-ferrous, and stainless steel. The system automatically rejects any product that contains metal, preventing contamination from reaching consumers. Weight checkers are used to ensure each packaged product meets the required weight specifications. These machines typically operate with an accuracy of 5 grams. Any packages that fall outside of the specified weight range are automatically rejected. In addition, microbiological testing is conducted to detect harmful bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli. This process includes rapid culture methods and advanced PCR polymerase chain reaction technologies, which allow for quick identification of pathogens. Samples are taken from the production line to ensure that the meat meets hygiene and safety standards before being released to the market. These systems are critical for maintaining high food safety standards in the industry. What do you think about the modern machinery system applied by Germany in food factories? How much do you predict the initial investment capital of these factories to be? Leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to the Trending Farm channel to continue discovering more mysteries in the agricultural industry around the world. See you in the next videos.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.